Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
Darren and I have been doing the Ag PhD TV show for over 25 years now. Can't believe it's been that long. We're passionate about education. We're passionate about helping that next generation get going in farming and in agriculture. And so with that, we've got an event coming up in June that we wanted to let you know about. It's called Scouting and Scholarships.
All right, first of all, you may be saying, wait a second, Scouting and Scholarships, that sounds like it's for young people in agriculture. Well, yes, we are going to gear a lot of what we talk about that day and train on for younger people. But that doesn't mean you have to be young to attend. Anyone can attend. It's open to anybody. But we are going to focus on a lot of the things, the new and exciting things coming out, and some of the basics that you need to know as you're getting into agriculture.
And with the scholarships portion of it, we're going to be giving away over 100 college scholarships that day. Super excited about that. If you want to learn more about this event, just go to agphd.com. And if you want to register, then you can be eligible for a scholarship if you're going to be attending a post-secondary school beginning this fall. So whether you're a freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, doesn't matter. Just if you're going to be attending a post-secondary school this fall, you're eligible for one of these scholarships we'll be giving away that day.
So this event is going to happen at the Ag PhD Field Day site, and we're going to have indoor and outdoor activities. So I really like when we get a chance in the middle of the season to get out in crops, do some digging, do some hands-on work to see, all right, let's talk about these plants. Let's talk about growth stages. Let's talk about what's happening inside and show people what's actually going on. So you know, as you're managing your crop in the field, how you can influence yield.
It's the Ag PhD Scouting and Scholarships event. It's the last Saturday in June. It's actually the second annual Scouting and Scholarships event, and we are hoping to continue to do this in the future. So again, if you know anyone who's going to be attending a post-secondary school this coming fall, please encourage them to attend. Please encourage them to pre-register at agphd.com, and we hope to see them and you there on Saturday, June 24th.
The one thing I hope we don't see at the Scouting and Scholarships event is our Weed of the Week. Can you identify this week's weed?